Hi everyone, this is Sean from Sino Food Machinery. Today, I'm going to introduce you to a Starch gummy candy production line, and the capacity can reach up to 300 kilogram power. Let's have a look. Starch mold production line is a traditional gummy production method. Now, most of our customers has chosen metal mold to produce their gummies, but if you want to produce starch mold gummies instead of gelatin or pectin, starch mold production line is still your best choice. Firstly, it's the beginning of our production line. You need to put the starch trays on the beginning, and then the conveyor will transfer the starch trays to the starch putting equipment, and the starch will be loaded in the hopper, and the equipment will put the starch by the mixer to the trays. After putting starch, the steel plate will remove the extra starch on the starch trays and make it be flat. The trays will be transferred to the bottom of the molding machine, and you can see under the molding machine there is pieces of mold, and the mold will be pressed by the cylinder. It will press out many holes of the desired shapes on the starch. After molding, the starch trays will transfer to the bottom of depositors. Every depositor equipped with a servo motor, and the servo motor will control the pistons in the depositors precisely, and it can avoid the extra syrup on the gummies or tails to be shipped. Every depositor equipped with 2 hoppers, so one depositor can produce 1 color gummies, 2 color gummies, or center filled gummies. So the 2 depositor totally can produce 4 colors gummies. And every hopper equipped with jacket is full of heating oil, and it can prevent the syrup be cooled down and formed in your hopper. It can provide a warm temperature to the syrup. After depositing, this is our starch removing system. There are totally 4 rotating machines to remove the extra starch. The workers will pour out the gummies with starch to the hopper from the trays, and the gummies and the starch will be transferred into the first rotating machine. The rotating machine will rotate continuously to remove all the starch on the gummies, and the extra starch will drop into the bottom of the rotating machine, and the starch will be elevated to the starch putting system again to be used. After the gummies be out from the first rotating machine, it will transferred by the conveyor into the second and the third rotating machine. It can ensure there is no extra starch that's hard to remove on the gummies to keep your gummies clean. So this is all the parts of our starch mold gummy production line. If you are interested in it, please contact me, and I will give you more information and details. See you next time. Bye bye.